This guide will help you understand the process of requesting payouts on Instagram in a straightforward manner. Follow these steps to ensure you successfully request your earnings. Step 1. Access your account. Log into your Instagram account using the app or website. Ensure you are using the account link to your payouts. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Go to your profile and tap on the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner. From the menu, select Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Find Payout Options. In the Settings menu, look for the Payments or Payouts section. This is where you can manage your payment methods and request payouts. Step 4. Enter payment information. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the @com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Request payout. Once your payment information is set up, you can request a payout. Follow the prompts to enter the amount you wish to withdraw and confirm your request. After completing these steps, you should receive a confirmation of your payout request. Make sure to check your account for updates and ensure your payment information is always up to date.